it is Vlogmas Day 2. But you guys will be seeing this on Vlogmas Day 3 because I already have a video that I'm going to upload for Vlogmas Day 3 or for Vlogmas Day 2 today. So, hi guys, what is up? It's Vlogmas. This is my first time doing Vlogmas, so I hope you guys enjoy these vlogs that I'm going to be pumping out for you guys. Today I'm going to finish decorating the tree and finish decorating my living room, getting my house in order because it is a hot mess. My room is a mess. There's clothes everywhere. It's just a mess. So I need to get everything in order, and I need to get some Christmas shopping done and someone's birthday shopping done because his birthday is coming up very. Okay, I'm back. So about to straighten up in this living room. Yeah.
What you gonna go out and get Ron something? Ain't Ron's birthday on the 13th?
I'm right here.
Yep. Sure
I'm gonna
is.
go out and get you an outfit. You gonna go out with me to get it?
Then what? It's not a birthday present. Then it's not a birthday present.
I know it's not his birthday. But shit, long as you say he did a damn stuff. Shit. If I start now getting a piece back, get the leg today.
You'll get the leg
Leg
today.
next week, by the damn jeans. I know that damn much.
I know that damn much.
I was looking at you. Oh yeah, I was looking at y'all sitting in the car eating them damn shit.
Oh, you on YouTube?
Yeah.
You put that out?
I put that out last night.
Yeah, talking to it's salty to me. It don't make me no difference. I'm gonna eat them.
Hey, greedy.
And then you show it. So look how much you ate up. You ate the whole damn bag. Yeah, and TikTok, cause I had my damn leg up in the air.
'Tis the
I put
season.
my other leg on the bike, right?
Then we don't have one over here, but that's okay.
Hell.
What'd you say, Mom?
Girl, my head.
I don't put your head on there. It's on me.
I said last night, I'm on this bike. And I said, nah, ain't nobody up but me. And I'm down here trying to get on this damn bike. No good and well, ain't nobody won't but me. Now if I fall off this damn bike, ain't a damn soul gonna help me. I will be down here, help, I be stuck. I got my one leg down there, and the other leg up in there. I'm trying to put it on there to ride it. I said, Nathan ain't gonna lock this door. He gonna seal himself up in there. Well, he really ain't gonna help me. And y'all upstairs.
Okay, so I need to finish decorating this Christmas tree. This? What are you talking about?
That sticker you trying
No,
to pull
I'm not
off.
talking about that. I'm talking about down here.
What is that?
I don't know. It's like plastic. Like, you know how it's like wrapped in saran wrap or something?
I think that's supposed to stay like that. You're not supposed to take that out. What are you talking about?
No, it's plastic right here.
Oh yeah, that's when I put it together. Whatever. When I put it back on there and I put it down there or whatever, I just said forget it because I didn't want the shelf falling back apart. I already had a tough time putting it together.
Well, I guess I can't open these. Now it looks so stupid.
Man, can nobody see that plastic down there now? Who can see that plastic?
I can't.
Who can see that plastic? Can y'all see that plastic? I can't. Nah.
No, it looks dumb.
Nah. Nah.
Shut up.
Nah. It's like, I'm slobbering. I get what you was trying to have. You were trying to have that open.
Yeah, I did want to open
You
it.
should open it. Nobody gonna notice that plastic.
I am.
So you just gonna look down there and stick your head in there every day and notice that plastic right there?
Yes. Shut up, Albert. Shut up.
I'm on the speakerphone.
No, don't she hurt from laughing all the time on that phone?
No, I thought she have it against her ear. She be on that mug like, she need like a job where she just answer the phone all day because she be on it a lot.
Yeah, girl, let me tell you. So here is my final treat. Well, I still gotta put the skirt.
Oh yeah, I gotta watch that skirt.
And I want to get an angel. I got a star, but my star is downstairs in the basement somewhere. I don't know where it's at.
Oh, my bad.
Mr. Commentary. Anyways, I want to put an angel.
Find a star.
Robert. God. Annoying. Then
You gotta find the apron too.
I cleaned this off.
Clean that out.
There's Coco's
Coco's down there.
stocking. Don't mind that garbage. It's about to go out. My stocking. And then I'm gonna hang these up. These up right here. There's Coco.
Hey, Coco.
Robert, shut up. God. Someone some hey Coco. Oh, and I gotta put something right here too on these shelves. I gotta find something to put right there in general. Like I'm gonna hang some pictures and just something to go there in general. That's supposed to go in my makeup room, but yeah. And then I don't even know if I want to keep these right here. I don't know. They were supposed to replace this over here, but Robert never took them off to replace it. Because he don't do what he's supposed to do.
You said you wanted them other pictures down and wanted those over there.
What?
The other two pictures that was up, that I took down to put those up because you wanted them over there.
Oh, and I put my pillows up. But Robert, put that light so you can show it lights up. That's cute. And then here's my other pillow. I might get some more pillows. I don't know. I might get some more pillows. Who knows? And so far, it's looking Christmassy. It still don't feel like in the Christmas spirit. But yeah. So that's Vlogmas day. It's probably gonna be day 3 or day 4. I'm not sure, but technically it's Vlogmas day 2 because it's December 2nd. But you know, we're gonna keep this going. So we're gonna have like 4 vlogs up already. Alright. Bye.
You forgot to say click, comment.
click comment.
Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe.
He said click comment.
Oh, yeah, I said that wrong. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that bell below.
What? You think you're a YouTuber? Just say it.
Huh?
Say it.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. Click that bell below.